It's a world premiere at Porsche in Stuttgart. The German sports car maker is celebrating the newest member of its family. The Cayenne Coupé. With so much pomp and glamour, does the new Porsche crossover also do what it promises?
Yeah, it's a very emotional car, definitely. Even more emotional than regular Cayenne. Cayenne was perhaps a little bit too much family car, too polite, and this one has something special indeed.
He says he likes the car, especially the sloping roofline, just as you would expect from a Porsche.
It's not too surprising because Mercedes is in there with the GLE Coupé, BMW does the X6, so I guess it's a natural extension for Porsche to add this to the lineup.
And naturally, Porsche's new family member has very competitive engines. The Cayenne Coupé is being launched in two powerful versions. One is a 6-cylinder, 250-kilowatt turbo engine that allows it to sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 6.0 seconds. While the top model Cayenne Turbo Coupé comes with a 4-liter V8 engine and twin turbocharger. It's 404 kilowatts, propel it from 0 to 100 in 3.9 seconds. Porsche marketing chief Detlef von Platen says the Cayenne has become a little narrower, has become a bit longer and wider from the rear. This version has 22-inch wheel rims, which give it a very strong road presence. It appeals to customers who want to express themselves on the road and who really want to experience the Porsche DNA. CEO Oliver Blume says this is an exciting evening because this is the company's first sports coupe in the SUV market. Porsche sees it as an ideal combination, offering the features of the base model Cayenne, but with even sportier design that is significantly more dynamic. Seen from the front, the differences from the normal Cayenne are hardly noticeable. It's only in the side view where its new personality can be seen. Passengers sit 30 millimeters lower than in the Cayenne. This means plenty of headroom despite the lowered silhouette. The Cayenne Coupé is equipped with a panoramic glass roof as standard. Optionally, as seen here, there is also a carbon roof. Since the launch of the first Cayenne in 2002, nearly 900,000 have been built. This success and customers' desire for a more emotional Cayenne influenced the development of the Cayenne Coupé. Its once pure sports car image has given way to a more striking appearance, especially for the SUV sector. Even so, it's a look Porsche thinks Cayenne fans will like.